Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites: an admin account, API key, SMTP server, and any SSO or LDAP credentials. Once confirmed, log into the admin console and enable debug logging so you can trace issues as you proceed. Next, create a dedicated integration user for webhooks and API calls to avoid using your personal account. Then begin by importing a minimal sample dataset or a single test queue to validate connectivity and permissions before changing global settings. Once done with initial access, configure queues and set priorities with SLA timers like 15, 30, and 60 minutes to enforce response targets. You should map workflows, create triggers for new tickets, automations for status transitions, and escalation paths to senior agents. Make sure to define custom ticket fields and role-based visibility so sensitive data is hidden appropriately. Also, wire email parsing rules and templates, and test a full ticket lifecycle from creation to resolution using your test queue. To finalize, run end-to-end tests. Create tickets via UI, email, and API. Assign, escalate, and resolve them to confirm workflows. Make sure integrations like Slack and monitoring are active, and set alerts for failures or SLA breaches. After validation, export and backup configuration, document access and runbooks, then schedule periodic reviews. If something breaks, check logs for authentication failures or timeouts first, often reapplying the API key or adjusting SMTP connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.